Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you.
హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మనకు లిమిట్స్లో కొన్ని స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్ములాస్ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ వన్, లిమిట్ ఎక్సిస్టెన్స్ టు ఏ ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ మైనస్ ఏ పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ బై ఎక్స్ మైనస్ ఏ ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎన్ ఇంటూ ఏ పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ మైనస్ వన్. నౌ సెకండ్ వన్, లిమిట్ ఎక్సిస్టెన్స్ టు ఏ ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఎం మైనస్ ఏ పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఎం బై ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ మైనస్ ఏ పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు m by n a power of m minus n. Now third one, limit existence to 0 a power of x minus 1 by x it is equal to log a to the base e. Now fourth one, limit existence to 0 e power of x minus 1 by x it is equal to log e to the base e it is equal to 1. Next fifth one, limit existence to 0 sin x by x it is equal to 1. Sixth one, limit existence to 0 tan x by x it is equal to 1. Seventh one, limit existence to 0 1 plus x whole power of 1 by x it is equal to e. Eighth one, limit existence to infinity 1 plus 1 by x whole power of x it is equal to e. Ninth one, limit existence to 0 sin kx by x, here k is constant, it is equal to k. Limit existence to 0 tan kx by x it is equal to also k. Next 11th one, limit existence to 0 f of x into g of x it is equal to limit existence to 0 f of x into limit existence to 0 g of x. Next 12th one, limit existence to 0 f of x plus or minus g of x it will be right limit existence to 0 f of x plus or minus limit existence to 0 g of x. Now last one, 13th one, limit existence to 0 f of x by g of x it is equal to, here we write limit existence to 0 f of x by limit existence to 0 g of x. Now by using on this identity, now first one, here find out limit existence to a x power of 9 minus a power of 9 by x minus a. Now here we want this one. First comparing this identity, it is comparing with this identity. Now identity is limit existence to a x power of n minus a power of n by x minus a it is equal to n into a power of n minus 1. Now here we comparing this identity, here n is equal to 9, so finally here we write 9 into a power of 9 minus 1, so it is equal to 9 into a power of 8. Next sum, here limits on the rationalization. So first one, evaluate limit existence to 0 square root of 1 plus x minus 1 by x. Here numerator value is square root of 1 plus x minus 1. Now rationalize the numerator, so that means here we write limit existence to 0 square root of 1 plus x minus 1 by x. This conjugate value is square root of 1 plus x plus 1 by, it is multiplying and dividing. So next here we get limit existence to 0. Why? Because here numerator is rationalizing, that means multiplying and dividing with this conjugate value. Now here we write a plus b into a minus b will be right a square minus b square by x into square root of 1 plus x plus 1. Now here square and square root get cancelled, so limit existence to 0. Next 1 plus x and minus 1 square is equal to 1 by denominator value is this one. Here in numerator plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Why? Because opposite sign is there. So then after we write limit existence to 0 x by and denominator value is x into square root of 1 plus x plus 1. Now here common terms are x get cancelled. Finally we get limit x tends to 0 1 by square root of 1 plus x plus 1. Now here we applying x equal to 0 in this one, will be get 1 by square root of 1 plus 0 and plus 1. Here we write numerator value is 1 and denominator value is square root of 1 plus 0 is equal to, we write square root of 1 plus 1. Now finally will be get 1 by 1 plus 1. So final answer is 1 by 2. Next, second one, evaluate limit x tends to 0 e power of x minus 1 by square root of 1 plus x minus 1. Now in this one denominator value is square root of 1 plus x minus 1. So here we using on the denominator also rationalizing, and first here numerator value is e power of x minus 1, no? So multiplying and dividing with x here we get, so limit x tends to 0 e power of x minus 1 by x into x here, and denominator value is as it is. Then after we write limit x tends to 0 e power of x minus 1 by x, it is the one of the function, and second one is limit x tends to 0 x by square root of 1 plus x minus 1. Now by using on the one of the identity it will be get 1, and here rationalize the denominator, so multiplying and dividing with this conjugate value, that means here this conjugate value is square root of 1 plus x plus 1. So here rationalizing the denominator, that means here multiplying and dividing with this conjugate value. Then after we write limit x tends to 0 x into square root of 1 plus x plus 1 by, here we using on the a plus b into a minus b will be get a square minus b square. Now square and square root get cancelled, so limit x tends to 0 x into square root of 1 plus x plus 1 by, here 1 plus x minus 1. Why? Because minus is there, 1 square is equal to 1. So here in denominator plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Then after we write limit x tends to 0 x into square root of 1 plus x plus 1 by x. Now in this one common terms are xx, so those are cancelled. Now finally we get limit x tends to 0 square root of 1 plus x plus 1. Now here we applying x equal to 0 in this one will be get square root of 1 plus 0 plus 1. So square root of 1 plus 0 value is how much? Square root of 1 is equal to 1 and plus 1 is there, so finally 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So it is the final answer. Next one, evaluate limit x tends to 0 3 power of x minus 1 by square root of 1 plus x minus 1. Now here also multiplying and dividing with x, here we get limit x tends to 0, numerator value is 3 power of x minus 1 and x by x. Now write x by square root of 1 plus x minus 1. Here multiplying and dividing with x here. So then after we write by using on this identity, so limit x tends to 0 a power of x minus 1 by x is equal to, here we write log a to the base e. That means it will be get log e, log a to the base e means here we write log 3 to the base e. Then x by limit x tends to 0 x by square root of 1 plus x minus 1. Now here rationalizing the denominator value, that means limit x tends to 0 x by, here square root of 1 plus x minus 1, this conjugate value is square root of 1 plus x plus 1. So multiplying and dividing with this conjugate value. Why? Because here rationalizing the denominator value. So is equal, next log 3 to the base e, limit x tends to 0, here x into square root of 1 plus x plus 1 by, here we write a plus b into a minus b will be get a square minus b square. That means here we write square root of 1 plus x whole square minus 1 square. Now log 3 to the base e, and now continuation, here we write log limit x tends to 0, here we write numerator value is x into square root of 1 plus x plus 1. It is as it is. Now here square and square root get cancelled, will be get 1 plus x minus 1 square is equal to, here we write minus 1. So here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Now next step, log 3 to the base e, limit x tends to 0. Here numerator value is x into square root of 1 plus x plus 1 and denominator value is only x. Now in this common terms are x get cancelled. So finally we will get log 3 to the base e into, here we are applying x tends to 0 in this one, will be right square root of 1 plus 0 plus 1. Now finally log 3 to the base e and it is equal to 2. So final answer is 2 log 3 to the base e. Thank you friends.